Congressional leaders have tried to obstruct President Trump over his plans on immigration and border security from the very day he took office. Speaker Ryan and Leader McConnell often seem more obstructionist than even the Democratic opposition on Capitol Hill. But it appears President Trump is finally building momentum where it may well count the most in the nation's federal courts. The judicial system has begun to slowly give the president the legal victories he deserves and desperately needs to prevail. Today, a federal judge in Maryland ruled President Trump indeed does have the constitutional authority to end the so-called DACA program. Judge Roger Titus also admonished those of his colleagues on the bench who've allowed their personal views to influence their decisions. He wrote, quote, "This court does not like the outcome of this case, but is constrained by its constitutionally limited role to the result that it has reached. It is not the province of the judiciary to provide legislative or executive action when those entrusted with those responsibilities fail to act." The decision follows two other legal victories for the president from unlikely sources as well. The Obama-appointed Judge Orrick ruling the Trump administration does have the power to withhold from the state of California a $1 million federal grant over the issue of sanctuary policies that violate U.S. law. And last week, Judge Correal, also an Obama appointee, ruled that the president's border wall may indeed proceed, ruling against powerful environmental groups and the state of California, deferring to President Trump's powers on any matter of national security. It is far too early to say that justice is emerging from our heavily biased court system, but this may well be the beginning of a beautiful, beautiful return to justice in this country.